Number 3, how to form exclamatory sentences, also known as interjections. So, exclamations or interjections, gli interiezioni, are a functional type of sentence that convey excitement and usually end with an exclamation mark. They're often considered an essential element of Italian grammar and can even be just a single word. Okay, I'm sure you're familiar with some of these. So let's just go through a few here because they're fun little ways to use Italian, and they're really simple, and it makes you feel like you're a local and you know what you're talking about because they use a lot of these just to convey their excitement and emotions. Okay, so I'm sure you've heard this one. Bravo. Okay, bravo, brava, brave, or bravi all mean well done. Okay, and these do correspond with whatever or whoever you're describing, I should say. So if you're describing like a man, you'd end it in O, bravo. If you're saying to a woman, brava, okay, brave if it's feminine, plural, and bravi for masculine, plural. Okay, so again, they all mean well done. And you can also add the ending issimo or issima, issime, or issimi for more emphasis. Okay, che bello, how beautiful or how wonderful. Again, you would add issimo for more emphasis. Okay, so this you can just use on its own, like you don't have to change the endings here unless you're using it as an adjective. You could just say, oh, che bello, che bello. But if you're describing like somebody or something in particular, then you can change the ending to correspond to match the number and gender. Okay. But if you're just saying like in general, che bello, you just say che bello. Che fantastico. Okay, che fantastico, how fantastic. Mamma mia. I'm sure you've heard that one. Mamma mia means, oh my goodness. Oh Dio mio, or oh Dio means, oh my God, or oh God. Che cavolo means, what garbage. Che cavolo. Dai means, no way, or go on. Like, not like go on, like continue, but like, oh, go on. Like, not really. Really? Dai means give it, or just go on. Go on. It's a hard one to describe, I guess. Okay, magari means if only. Magari. Che schifo, how disgusting, or that sucks. Mi raccomando, I beg you, or please, like please do something, like please watch over yourself, or please be careful. You'd hear somebody say mi raccomando. Meno male means at least. Meno male. And di niente. Di niente or figurati means you're welcome, it was nothing, or don't mention it. Okay. And I just have here bravo is being used as an adjective here. So the ending should match the noun that it's describing. Okay, excellent. Okay, and there you go. Now you can sound more like a local, or somebody that is very confident when they speak Italian because they're confident enough to use an exclamation point when they're speaking.